This damn bird has been trying to get in all morning. He's running to the other window earlier. Now he's just hanging out over here. What do you want, Mr. Bird? Huh? Can you hear me? Gonna hang out on the tree for a little bit. I'm gonna go wreck that other window.